You guys are always asking me, Gary V, how do I start a business with no money? How do I turn my passion into profit? Let me tell you, entrepreneurship isn't about having deep pockets, it's about having a fire in your belly. You gotta hustle, you gotta be creative, and you gotta bring value to the market. Today I'm gonna break down 5 incredible business ideas that won't break the bank. These are businesses you can start from your laptop, your kitchen table, your freaking bedroom. No excuses, it's 2024, opportunity is everywhere. We're talking low investment, high potential. We're talking about building something real, something you're passionate about. Are you ready to dive in? Let's go. First up, freelancing. Look, everyone's got a skill. You can write, you can design, you can code, you can edit videos, you can do social media. Whatever it is, I guarantee you there's someone out there willing to pay for it. The beauty of freelancing is that it's all about building your personal brand. You are the product. So create a killer portfolio that showcases your best work. Use platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or LinkedIn to find your first clients. And don't be afraid to niche down. The more specialized your skills, the more valuable you become. Remember, provide massive value, over-deliver every single time, and watch your freelance business explode. Dropshipping is the ultimate low-investment business model. You're basically running an online store without ever touching any inventory. Find a product people want, list it on your website, and when someone orders it, the supplier ships it directly to the customer. The key here is finding the right niche. Look for products that are trending, have high demand, and low competition. Think eco-friendly products, cool tech gadgets, niche hobbies, stuff people are passionate about. Create a slick website, run some Facebook or Instagram ads, and start driving traffic. It's all about testing, optimizing, and finding what works. Chapter 3. Social Media Management. Become the digital maestro. Every business needs a social media presence, but let's be real, most business owners don't have the time or the know-how to manage it effectively. That's where you come in. As a social media manager, you're the voice, the strategist, the content creator. You're responsible for building a brand's online community, engaging with followers, and ultimately driving sales. Learn the ropes of social media marketing. Master tools like Canva for design and Hootsuite for scheduling. Become a student of the algorithm. And most importantly, understand how to create content that stops the scroll and converts followers into customers. Chapter 4. Print on demand. Design your way to success. Love design? Then print on demand is your jam. Create eye-catching designs for t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, tote bags, you name it. Then partner with a print-on-demand platform that handles the printing, shipping, and customer service. The beauty of this model is that you only pay for the product when someone orders it. No upfront inventory costs, no warehousing headaches. Find your niche. Target pet lovers, gamers, foodies, whatever you're into. Create designs that resonate with your audience and watch the orders roll in. Chapter 5. Online coaching and consulting. Share your expertise. Are you a master of your craft? Do you have knowledge and experience that others would pay for? Then, online coaching or consulting could be your ticket to entrepreneurial freedom. Whether you're a fitness guru, a business strategist, a dating coach, or a life coach, there's an audience out there eager to learn from you. Build your online presence. Create valuable content on social media, start a blog, or launch a podcast. Establish yourself as an expert in your field and attract clients who are ready to invest in your guidance. Outro, take action. There you have it, 5 incredible business ideas that won't break the bank. Remember, starting a business is all about taking action. Don't overthink it. Don't wait for the perfect time. Just start. Pick one of these ideas that lights your fire, put in the work, and watch your entrepreneurial dreams become a reality. The world needs what you got, so get out there and crush it. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these business ideas are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. I'll see you in the next one.